students, today I will teach you how to make BMW logo in CorelDRAW. Let's begin. Go to Start button and write COREL, Corel, DRAW, draw X5 or X7 and press here and press backspace key and write BMW logo and do OK. See, the new page is ready. We are just adjusting the screen. Now, first draw a circle with control. No, this is not proper. With control and plus and shift. Ow. First go here and shift. See, it is becoming round. Again do it like that. Oh, let me try it again. First press shift button and see, this small one is ready. Now take pick tool, select them and trim and remove from here. See, delete this circle. See, this one has a circle. It become a ring. We have to do color and shade. First we will do the line bigger or thicker. This is, yes, it is correct. Whoa, wrong color. Press right click. Right click. Let me zoom it. Yes, color is done. Now we need black color. Oh, let me take pick tool. Pick tool with pick tool. Take pick tool. Line's color is gone. Let me do it again. Change. See, line's color is come. Now press here, so it will come color here inside the ring. Now select it and go to here and go to fountain fill and fill the color black and grey and do not press OK. Press here and OK. Now go to here. Now get a circle. See, this is shining. Now we have to take this tool and go to this shape and come to here and come to here. Now see, it is becoming. Now press Control. It can't see me, so I will use 30. Another in color. Then we will change the color and do it little bit small. What is happening? I understood. I take that ingredient. I have to do Control Z. Come here. Do it little bit small. Now go and check this size. I need little bit bigger. So do it big. One more time big. Now shift it with buttons up, down, right, left. Now change the color black. Oh, that was yellow. I can't look. It was too shiny to my eyes. Now I have to do it little bit big. Now see. Now see. Make it little bit big. Oh no. To control Z, this happened to you. Now do it little bit big. Do it down. Zoom it so you can see the layers. It is perfect or not. They are perfect. And press here. Press here and fill the color with Smart Fill. Select white color. Now do it here, up and here, and come to here, Fountain Fill. Take this and here, let me go, baby pink or blue. I am taking blue. Blue, okay. Now go to again Fountain Fill. Oh, first select this with pick tool. See, it is select. Now go to Fountain Fill. Now headline Fountain Fill. Choose the colors, this and blue, and do OK. See, this shade come. Now we have to type only BMW. Let me type. Zoom here, right here, BMW. Now do it big. With this you can make space. We need space too. Now go to pick tool and do it big. Not so big. It will become like that to stretch it. Now press M or B or W. Oh no, I can't see B. I can see B perfectly. I can see little bit M. Not that. Let me do Control Z. It happened to you. B M. I can see B little bit, M B I can see, M little bit, W I can't see. So do it another color, blue. Not here. Let me press them. Press here. Now do them dark color. See, I can see now properly them. Now I need to do them by white. Now come here, go to text tool and fill text to path. See, this will come, so put it here. No, it is not correct. Let me try it again. Text, path, put them here. See, they are round. Our BMW logo is ready. Bye. Have a nice day. Please subscribe our channel if you like BMW logo. Bye. Thank you.